Hi everyone, my name is Eden Grace Artabono and welcome to my tutorial for the Mastering Microsoft Word Personal Profile Formatting Challenge. In this video, I'll show you how I format a personal profile using different tools and shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, I'm opening a new blank document in Microsoft Word. I use Ctrl N to open a new document. Now, I'll add my full name as the title. Next, I'll format the title to be bold, underlined, and centered. I use Ctrl B to bold my name, Ctrl U to underline it, Ctrl E to center the text. Now, I'll type a short self-introduction. Let's now change the font style, size, and alignment to make it visually appealing. I selected all with Ctrl A. Then open the font options with Ctrl D. I choose a different font and increase the size. I use Ctrl L to align left. I italicize a sentence using Ctrl I. Next, I create a bulleted list of my hobbies or skills. To turn this into a bulleted list, I select it and use a shortcut. I use Ctrl plus Shift plus L to quickly add bullets. Now, I'll insert a picture of myself and format it using text wrapping. Use Alt plus N plus P to open Insert Picture dialog box. Once the picture is inserted, I'll apply text wrapping to align it properly. Here's a quick recap of the keyboard shortcuts I used today. Control N for new document, Control B for bold, Control U for underline, Control E for center, Control A for select all, Control D for font dialog box, Control L for align left, Control I for italics, Control plus Shift plus L for bullet list, Alt plus N plus P for insert picture. And that's it. I've just created a personal profile using Microsoft Word, applying different formatting styles and keyboard shortcuts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something helpful.